Today, let's explore the fascinating term 一人一人, 一人一人. You'll hear this phrase often when people talk about taking care of individual needs or acknowledging unique contributions in a group setting. The word 一人一人, 一人一人 means each person or every single person. It is used when referring to individuals separately, emphasizing that every person is being considered individually in a context. The first kanji means one or a single unit. You can see it in hitotsu, which means one thing, and in ichiban, which means number one or best, where the kanji gives the sense of singularity or being first. The second kanji means person or human. It appears in jinko, meaning population, and in ningen, meaning human being, where the kanji brings the idea of people. The third kanji again means one, emphasizing unity or a single occurrence. It shows up in ichido, meaning once, and in ichi, meaning agreement, where the idea of one or togetherness is important. We listen to each person's opinion. 私たちは一人一人の意見を聞きます。私たちは一人一人の意見を聞きます。Each person has a responsibility. 一人一人の責任があります。一人一人の責任があります。Let's value each person's thoughts. 一人一人の考えを大事にしましょう。一人一人の考えを大事にしましょう。The teacher asked each person. 先生は一人一人に聞きました。先生は一人一人に聞きました。A most common synonyms of the word 一人一人 are 各自 are 命令。The word 各自 emphasizes individual responsibility or tasks, while 命令 also highlights individuality, but is often used in more casual or informal settings when referring to each person separately. The most common antonym of the word 一人一人 is みんな, while 一人一人 focuses on individual differences and contributions. みんな highlights the idea of unity and being taken together as one group. It emphasizes the collective rather than the individual.